Hello, I'm Gufran from ICIT Canada. I'm here today to announce some good news for you all guys. All of you are free to join our new Excel class. Actually, we saw that Excel is bringing up a lot of new tools, and you see in Office 365 in the last few years, so many new formulas and tools have come up. And if you don't keep pace with the changing trend, it will be very difficult for us to even work on Excel. The way we work on Excel is totally changing now, and a lot of things can be done through the formulas like filters, sorting, subtotaling can all be done through formulas, and we can use them with VLOOKUP or if functions as well. So if we don't know how to use them or what new features are coming up, and if there's nobody to tell you, it's very difficult to learn from YouTube if you don't know how you will search for them. So there's a need of somebody sitting with you and telling you what tools are there and how to use them in practical scenarios, giving you some exercises on them and working together and answering your questions if you are stuck somewhere. And that's why we come in. From time to time, we conduct free classes for all as a community help in Excel, SAP, and other relevant topics. And this time we are coming up with Excel 365 new features free for all. So if you would like to join, you by all means can join this class. It'll be on February 16th, Sunday, coming Sunday, February 16th at 2 p.m. If you would like to join, then send us your name and your email at 647-785-3357, and we'll send you the link to join. It will be live online class through WebEx. You'll get the link to join in your email through WebEx classes, and then it will be live online. You can answer questions. We will be live interactive over there. And before the class, I'll be sending you some files and folders to work together during the training session. We might have more than one classes here, but we'll decide on Sunday how it goes. So if we don't cover all the tools that we intend to cover, then probably we'll go next week as well for Saturday, Sunday, as the class says, right? So that's the plan now. So this is very important class for those people who are looking for roles or are currently working in financial analyst roles or accounting and finance, payables, bookkeeping, those type of roles where they have to work on Excel. Wherever figure work come in, Excel comes in. 90% of your job in the financial analyst role is on Excel because we download the data from different sources and we work on Excel. So if you know your Excel tools strongly, then obviously you have a very good chance of performing much better than others. And that's why these tools come very handy. This is to make yourself capable of working on different new tools that are coming up. For this, you must have Office 365. If you don't have it, you'll be just watching with us. Many new tools are not available in the earlier versions, nor they intend to upgrade the earlier versions, right? So they're only available on Office 365 or later versions. So that's why if you don't have it, you can go to Microsoft.com and download it from there. It's not very expensive. So you can have it and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. So I also strongly recommend, if you would like to work together, make sure that you have Office 365 before this class. So this class, as we said, will be on the 16th of February, Sunday at 2 p.m. So if you're interested, send me your name and your email at 647-785-3357. That's very, very important. And I'll be sharing this contact details in a minute with you guys. This class will be for about 1.5 hours or so, and we cover quite a few tools in there, which will be some basic, some intermediate, some advanced level. And also, if you have anything in your mind, you can also ask us before the class to cover those tools. If you want, we can cover them as well. But we have a list of tools that are very, very important for you to know, and that's what we are trying to cover in this training. Maybe one class, maybe two class, maybe three, depends. But it's all free for you all. But there's condition. What's the condition? The condition is that if you send me your name and your email to register, you have to turn up. Turn up means I don't want 10, 20 people saying yes, and then when we start the class, only two people are sitting in there, right? That is a wastage of my time, and also it's not worth it. So that's why we are not charging anything for here, because normally when something is free, people take it for granted and don't turn up, right? So if anybody registers, we are making a WhatsApp group for it, okay? So your name will be in the WhatsApp group for this training class, all right? And all of you will be in there. I will request to all of you to send your emails in there as well, so I can make a WebEx link for you guys. But if anybody is registered and does not turn up, then he has two choices. He has to pay $50 to get the recordings and be invited in the future free classes that we're going to conduct very, very soon, or he will be banned for any future. We'll delete his name and he will not be in our future classes, right? So we will not send him or invite him into any future free classes later on, because during the year we're going to conduct quite a few of them, which is very beneficial for the a lot of people have made. We have free classes on resume tips, we have free classes on interview tips, we have free classes on resume review. We individually one-on-one we review. We have free classes on Excel, SAP, BI, right? Some important tools that have come up like this one. So you will not be considered for that if you register and you don't turn up, right? You can be there. If you don't turn up, either you pay $50 as a fine, then you'll be invited in the future and to get the recordings as well. All right. So this is the condition. That's why it's a free class. We don't want just to be there without anyone and registering 50 people there and no one turning up. That's the reason this condition is there. Okay, and we are very strict about it because we are spending some time for you guys to upgrade you, to give you free knowledge which you cannot get from YouTube. If you don't know some tools exist, to call exist or something else, new tools exist, how will you search for it? How will you know that I can use this somewhere which I'm already doing some work? This can be a very handy tool there, right? So it's very difficult. It's only a reference, in YouTube or something, it's only a reference point where when you're stuck somewhere, you can get help from there. So please join me at 647-785-3357. Send me your link and your name, and I will send you the link to join. This is a very important class for those people who are going for the analyst role or working in there. And I'm 100% sure this is going to go a long way in your career. You can start working on those tools and develop your understanding on them. Right. So I hope to see you guys. So now let me share you some details about the address and all, where to send your information. So to register, please send your name and your email at 647-785-3357, text or WhatsApp, and or you can also use email student at icitcanada.ca to register, and you'll receive a confirmation link in your email, which will tell you when to join, and you'll get the link to join as well, WebEx link, and 647-785-3357 is the number to join. What our services are, we specialize in accounting and finance related roles. We help people in getting the required skills and also the experience. And we have placed more than 900 people now in the job market. So we make your resume, we prepare you for the interviews, we prepare you through the training in accounting, finance, Excel, SAP, BI, month-end activities, reporting, budgeting, planning, analysis. So we are making you financial analysts for internal reporting purposes, right? So management reporting. And then we have placed more than 900 people now. We guarantee results. And we have placed 900 people now in the job market. So if you're interested, you can contact and find our details at www.icitcanada.ca. And you can also visit us at 425 Britannia Road East, Unit 31. We are located over there. And you can make an appointment to come over there. Okay, so basically, what we have done is that we are conducting these classes from 16th of February, and we'll decide whether it will be two classes or three classes. It depends on your pace of learning. So it will be at 2 p.m. on 16th of February, coming Sunday. So register at 647-785-3357. Send your name and your email at 647-785-3357. All right. Act now. And so obviously in WebEx we can have only 25 people. So once 25 people are over, we will not be able to take any more. And I'll be creating a WhatsApp group for you guys so you can see how many people are in there. And I'd like you all to request your emails to be sent in that WhatsApp group as well, so I can create a WebEx meeting for you all. So ICIT is there for guaranteed results, quality training, excellent support. We support you in your career as well. Once you get the job, if you have any problems at the workplace, bring it to us, call from there. We help you in that. If you lose the job, we place you indefinite number of times. You can repeat the training indefinite number of times. It's a comprehensive training. We have two or three ways of training, or three types of training, you can say. One is data analytics, right, in which SQL, VBA, and all those learning is there. One is financial analyst training, in which SAP, BI, Excel, month-end activities, reporting, budgeting, planning, analysis, junior to senior level roles. And one is accounts payable and bookkeeping roles, where you mostly screen oriented. SAP and Excel is the main topics to be covered in there. So if you're interested to know more, call me at 647-785-3357. Definitely this is the time to get to the job market, because February to May is a peak hiring period, then it slows down. So I'll see you guys in the class. If you're interested, please let me know. 647-785-3357 is the number. WhatsApp and text your name and your email to join this class. All right, it's a very important class on Sunday, which is on 16th of Feb at 2 p.m. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys there.